Well, thank you everyone for joining us today, whether it's in person or online. I'm Vince Palmer, EVP of Operations at Reliable Controls. Today, we inaugurate our new manufacturing facility. This more than $4 million strategic investment in the new facility and state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment demonstrates our commitment to sustainable manufacturing. This accomplishment represents the hard work of many, from our design team, to our engineering team, to our construction partners, also to all the people at Reliable Controls who have made this vision a reality. We're so proud to expand our footprint into the Edmonton, Alberta, Canada city that values innovation, sustainability, and community. This new facility was designed with sustainability at its core. The facility and our people will ensure business continuity now and long into the future. The mission of Reliable Controls is to have the most satisfied dealers and end customers in the building automation industry. This effort and this initiative speaks to that vision. The new facility will sustain our reputation for being people and technology you can rely on. With that, I'd like to invite Bryce McCaughey, our VP of Operations, to share with us how we will power the next chapter of manufacturing for Reliable Controls. Bryce?
Thank you, Vince. Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining us here today. It truly is a privilege to be here to celebrate this important milestone as we open our new Edmonton manufacturing facility. Developing and commissioning this site has been a significant undertaking, and I want to begin by recognizing the tremendous amount of work and effort that's gone into bringing this to life. To the entire Reliable Controls team, both from Victoria and from Edmonton, thank you all so much. Your efforts, whether in process planning, logistics, engineering, coordination, or support, have been instrumental in making this achievement possible. The people of Reliable Controls truly are the most important and valued part of our company. And when you have the opportunity to see firsthand the level of dedication, of hard work, of commitment and collaboration on a project such as this, it's really easy to see how true that actually is. I'd also like to thank the team at Serval, who have worked closely with us in bringing this facility online and have continued to demonstrate what incredible partners they are. To Wes, Brad, Jeff, and the entire Serval team, thank you all so much for your help, for your support, for your patience. It's been a wonderful experience working together with you, and it's only strengthened our relationship moving forward. Lastly, I'd like to extend our sincere appreciation to our design partners at Wolski Design Group and the construction leadership of Interworks Contracting. You have been instrumental in transforming our vision into this remarkable space. Your professionalism and your commitment to quality are evident in every detail, and it's been a genuine pleasure working with you all. This new facility represents the additional manufacturing capacity that we need to uphold our most important promise, our commitment to delivery performance and product quality for our network of authorized dealers. As our company continues to expand, this site ensures we can meet the growing demand while sustaining the level of quality and reliability that defines our people and is reflected in our products. Beyond the expansion capacity, this facility also represents an opportunity. It's an opportunity to refine and evolve our manufacturing system. Leveraging the decades of accumulated knowledge and expertise we have in our team in Victoria, we are driving improvements in process, technology, quality to optimize our manufacturing operations across both facilities. Our ongoing commitment to manufacturing excellence, high quality service, and product reliability will help us achieve an industry-leading standard of manufacturing performance that extends to every Reliable Controls facility, including this one here in Edmonton. With the addition of Sam Singh to our leadership team, this facility is in very capable hands. Sam brings with him strong leadership, deep technical knowledge, and extensive manufacturing expertise. His guidance will be essential as we grow and mature our operations here in Edmonton. Thank you, Sam, for all of your hard work and dedication that you've already demonstrated here in the short time that you've been with the company. It really is wonderful to have you on the team. In closing, this new facility is a clear reflection of our collective commitment to our dealers, to our partners, to our staff, and to the future of reliable controls. It's an investment in our people, in our capability, and in our continued pursuit to lead the way in manufacturing performance. Thank you all, and congratulations to everyone who's made this day possible. Sam, over to you.
Thank you, Bryce. Thank you, Bryce. Well, thank you all for being here today. Opening our Edmonton facility is just more than a milestone. It's a beginning of our march to build a true manufacturing excellence hub for the future. I would like to take a moment to recognize the people who made this possible, because our people are the most valuable part of our business and our growth. To the team member who moved here from Victoria to support that transition, thank you. To the team member who joined the team, thank you for stepping in, helping with the training, onboarding, and wherever we needed, you stepped in and made the transition possible. I would also like to thank the team in Victoria for building this operation. You're part of the change, you embrace the change, and you're creating this facility what it will look like in future. I would also like to thank Bryce and Vince and the entire leadership team for your trust, guidance, and support, and making this transition possible. As we look forward to 2026, our goal is very clear. We want to build a high-performing team which leads with quality, innovation, and pride. So again, thank you all for your commitment, and I'm very truly excited to see what we can all do together. Thank you all.
Yeah, let's put the ribbon.